All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Sunday, and I went to Walmart and I was wandering around. I was actually going to buy these. I was buying these little connoisseur's wipes. I like using these for my shiny watches and jewelry and whatnot, but I picked these up, and while I was there, of course, I was in the watch department and I was staring at all the Casios on the wall, and I found this one. I thought it was really a cool one I hadn't seen before. I'm actually wearing my W-217H today. Really cool little Casio. These come in right around $16, under $20 at least in most places. I'll leave a Amazon link down below where you can pick one up. But let's go ahead and check this one out. Now on the box, I'll go ahead and show you this. This is the W-217HM. And I'm sure that all means something, the 7 BTC, and it has the information about Casio there on the box. Go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Now, a couple of different things I like about this watch. I think this version is a little bit more of the blown up F91W as far as the case design goes. It doesn't have as much of an armored look as the 218 does, but it's a really clean, nice look, and it's got a bigger case dimension than the F91W. So I like that. I like the size of the watch, and I also like the fact that this one has the negative display. Now, as you can see, just watching it in the video, it gets a lot of reflection, but at most angles, it's pretty legitimate and easy to read, but it is getting a lot of reflections from the lights above. But let me go ahead, just to show you guys down here on the box, 50 meters water resistance, 7-year battery life. Of course, that's hit and miss depending on how much you use the light on the watch, and of course how long the watch has been sitting on the shelf running. LED backlight, stopwatch, 1-year limited warranty. This watch was $15.88 at Walmart today. Now I'm going to use my little cutters here to go ahead and get this out of the box. It's the easiest way, actually easier than a knife, so we'll go ahead and pull that out, set the box aside, and I'm sure, yep, right there in the back of the watch we get our instruction manual, which we'll just kind of set aside there. I know how these watches work. They're all pretty simple and the same. I'll show you that. So, all right, get that off of there, and let's take a closer look at this little watch. Now, like I said, a little bit of glare there because you have this negative display, but clean looking little watch. It has more of that F91W feel to it, but it is in the bigger case size. This one has the silver case on it, which really looks very nice, and it also has a supple, nice, pretty soft rubber strap, actually a little bit softer than the one that came on the 218 originally. Now, it has the same functionality, and I'll just go ahead and run through those modes. This down here, you can see it's got the little mode there, and you can run through there. You've got your date and your day up there at the top. I already set this one, 11:46. Push it to the first one, you get the alarm function. The next one, you get your stopwatch, and you can start and stop that right there, and reset it with this one down here, which is also the light, as you guys can see. And it goes back to that mode. Now, if you run it all the way through, this will go to your actual time setting mode, and you'll use this light here. Man, it's hard to get that little guy to focus on that negative display. Use this one here, you can actually roll through the functions. Oops, I'm actually resetting that. Actually, the light down here will roll it through the different, what you want to reset on the watch. So that's your month, goes up there to the date and the day, and they'll take you back to that. And just to get it back set, you go back to the mode button there and set that. So clean little watch. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my caliper to measure it from side to side. And forgive me, I don't know the dimensions right off the top of my head on the F91W. This comes in at 37.8 on the case from side to side. Not much bigger from lug to lug. They come in at looks like about 47. And thickness, nice thin 10.7. Now this watch is smaller, I'll tell you that, than the 218. Like I said, this one's more of a kind of rugged looking watch. This one's a little smoother, classier. Same functionality as far as it. You got a negative display on this one, the 217. Both 50 meters water resistance, so you can wear them swimming, pretty much doing anything. I've actually gotten this one pretty wet, worn it swimming quite a bit. No problems at all with it. But let's go ahead and get the 217 on my wrist and see how that one looks. All right, so there's the 217 on my 7-inch wrist. It fits really well. It has much more wrist presence than the F91W does. And I think this one, for a lot of people, will be a little bit better of an option for them. The F91W is a classic. I wish I had one to share with you guys, but every single time I get one and have it on the channel or show it on the channel, I end up giving it to a nephew or a friend, something, you know, that just happens. But anyways, check them out. I leave a link down below. I'll show you guys the backlight. I think you kind of saw that as we were playing with it, but I think you can maybe... No, it's not. Some of them, if you hold them down, it'll actually set so you can leave it like that. But nice, good backlight, lights up the whole display, and the watch fits on the wrist really well. Clean little watch. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you guys can pick one of these up. Also leave a link down there where you can pick up one of the 218s. This is also a watch. I've done a video on this one. I'll leave a link to that video down below in the description. Really popular video here on the channel. So, all right, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.